So this is our power strut. This thing is dead as a doornail. Whenever this happens, you really won't be able to open your door. So you're gonna have to actually pull off this piece from there so you can actually open the door so you can even attempt to work on it. And then you can pull down 2 of those plastic clips right there. And then you can start to try and mangle to get the, wherever this goes, somewhere inside your substructure of your roof.
No, it's right here, but I can't see.
Hey guys, Swept Go Rad Performance here. We're figuring out how to do an Equinox with a bad liftgate. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do, because GM couldn't put a plug on the actual power gate itself, you're gonna pull out this bolt, and then you got clip, 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 metal clip, and then we got some more on the other side. So, okay guys, so sadly this headliner, I don't know, maybe it's gonna go back, but there it is, very dumbly on the back side of this pillar right here in the substructure. So he got it unclipped because it's clipped into the metal, and then he's gonna try to pull it out so that way we can hopefully take out this shock. I think there's a red tab right there, right? If you want the pick, I can grab it for you.
It's already popped.
And there she goes. Thank you, GM. Okay guys, so when you remove that, obviously this thing isn't really gonna want to stay up. Headliner is decent, only a little damage done, but they really put that in a stupid spot. We got the shock out. Now I'm gonna try to close. The electric motor that sucks it in still works. If your thing pops and then it doesn't go any further than that and it just stays like that, yeah, it wouldn't go up anymore after that. But then now you can remove it and you could use it like a normal unpowered liftgate. And then all you got to do is just go through your interior and mess it up, and then you'll be able to repair it all by yourself. Alrighty guys, see you in the next one. Hope this helps someone. Please like, comment, subscribe.